Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Ninja Foodi Grill and it always seems to be stuck on a closed lid and you can't get it to go into cooking because it keeps telling you to close the lid. So if this happens, most of the time the reason that this is going to happen is because the lid sensor gets gunked up with food and gunk and everything like that, and it can no longer actually tell when the lid is closed or not. So what you need to do is just open up your Ninja Foodi Grill. And you can see kind of under the lid and the hinge, the sensor is actually inside there. It's being indicated with this arrow. So what you want to do is get like a sponge or a cloth or something like that, and just make sure everything is good and cleaned out of there. And before you do this, go ahead and unplug it. Unplug the machine, let it, and leave it unplugged for at least a minute. Get everything cleaned out, then restore power to it and see if it doesn't get rid of this error. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.